There's one stupid simple 1-minute scalping strategy that I use on a daily basis to make profits like this, and this, and I'm about to show you exactly how. It's so simple that even complete beginners couldn't mess this up. To show you that this is not just some YouTube theory, this is a legitimate system that works. Right here, you're looking at a week-long backtest. I took a total of 20 trades with a win rate of 52 and a return of 11.1%. That means had you used around $100,000, you would have made over a $10,000 profit in a singular week. But before we begin, I want to ask you a simple question. Why do you think all the scalping strategies fail? Most strategies fight against the market makers, but what if I told you that they always leave behind a footprint? The concept you're about to learn is something that I've traded for years. Now let me ask you this, what do you see when you look at this chart? Is it just random candles, an uptrend maybe? No, here's what's really happening. An institutional footprint, otherwise known as an order block, was created within this bullish leg. And this footprint can be used as a support or resistance level with insanely high accuracy. But there's a secret to take this from a good concept to one of the best I've ever personally seen. But before I reveal the secret, let's dive into the strategy. Step number 1 is order block identification. The order block is the most overcomplicated concept of all time. What you're really looking for is just a misplaced candle within displacement. Displacement is really just an aggressive move with volume behind it. And right here is exactly what that looks like on an actual chart. As you can see, these 3 candles here, that is exactly what we would classify as displacement. They show clear direction, it's pretty aggressive, and there's a lot of volume behind each of these candles. So let's have a look at this chart here. Immediately, you should be able to spot the order block. The leg that you're seeing here, that's the displacement leg, right? There's clear direction and it's a very aggressive move. So where in this leg is the misplaced candle? A lot of you would probably be able to tell that it's this one right here. We have a clear downtrend with a lot of consecutive bearish candles, and then all of a sudden we get this random bullish candle. That is exactly how you identify an order block. Now there's one crucial step here. Never draw your order block from the wick. You see a lot of traders that will draw it like this, but in reality you get the highest accuracy from drawing it from the body. The next thing you have to do is find equilibrium. And this sounds extremely complicated, but in reality, it's really just the middle of a range. In order to find the exact middle point of a range, we're going to come up to the top left side of the screen and grab our Fibonacci extension tool. This will allow you to pinpoint the middle point of any range with insane accuracy. I'm going to draw it from the highest point of the range and all the way down until the lowest point of that range. This gives us the 50% or the middle point of the range, which is exactly what we call equilibrium. The last and final step is to enter your trade at equilibrium. Well, there are actually 2 ways that we can enter this, right? We can either go with equilibrium, which is the middle point of the range, or we can go with the order block right here. In different scenarios, one of the 2 will make the most sense. For this scenario, let's go with equilibrium of the range. What I need you to do is find your P&L tool and place your entry exactly at the middle point of the range. Now you want to put your stop loss in an area that makes sense. In my opinion, it's at this fair value gap that you're looking at right here. And we always want to target a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio to ensure that we're profitable in the long run. Create your sell limit order, and yes, I always recommend that you go with limit orders over market execution. Market execution can just result in very, very unlucky situations. Please just take my word for it. So let's play this trade out here and see exactly what happens. Right here we're filled, and don't worry, this is exactly when you have to stay faithful to your system. You have to have trust in your system. Let it play out, let it do the heavy lifting, and eventually you will get the exact result that you're looking for. And there we go, absolutely beautiful. Notice how the trade got this close to our take profit before the reversal towards our entry. This is where countless of traders will make the mistake of exiting their positions instead of just letting the trade do the heavy lifting and having faith in their system. You could have made well over $1,000 in the span of 23 minutes had you just stayed faithful and patient. Let's have a look at the first example. This was more of a messy or choppy trade. The market had obviously been selling off here, but eventually we saw this massive displacement to the upside. And for the eagle eyes out there, well, then you probably noticed this random bearish candle, and that is indeed our order block. The next thing we're going to do is find the middle point of this range here. So I'm going to use my Fibonacci extension tool, and as you can see, the order block just aligns perfectly with the middle point of the range. So there's really not a lot for us to do but to grab our P&L tool, place our stop loss in an area that makes sense. I'm going to include this entire imbalance here, and then I'm basically just going to target a 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. So again, there are two possibilities here. We can either take our entry at equilibrium of the range, or if we're confident, we can enter directly at the order block. Let's go with equilibrium in this example, because again, a lot of the times you are going to enter at equilibrium. So let's play it out here and see exactly what happens. Right here, we're filled. Now, there is one specific thing that you can do if you're not confident in whatever trade you're taking. You can figure out exactly where a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio will take place and use that as your break-even spot. So let's put our stop loss down here and wait and see whether price can hit 1-to-1. And there we go. As soon as price hits a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, you can move your stop loss all the way up to your entry and basically make this a risk-free trade. And then again, we're going to wait for price to run all the way until 2 risk to reward. Let's place our take profit and basically let the trade do the heavy lifting. As you can see, had you used the break-even method here, you would have made no money, but let's have a look at what happened for the traders that held on. They would have hit take profit just minutes later, and that's exactly what I mean with having faith in your system. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all looks great in hindsight, but how do you actually spot these in real time? That's exactly why I created my private community, where I share all of my personal trades, all of my analysis, and gave away an entire course for free. So if you want results like the ones you're seeing here, well, then I would highly recommend that you claim your spot today, because it's not going to stay open forever. But what if I told you that there was a way to make this even higher probability? There's one specific thing that can make your accuracy go from 50% to 75% in just minutes. And that is exactly what I'll show you in this next example. For a lot of traders, they simply view this as a consolidation, right? There's the resistance level here, and there's obviously a support level down here. But we can go a little bit deeper than this, because what if I now mark out the high that you're looking at here? Well, then all of a sudden it becomes a lot more clear, because the market has just liquidated all the stop orders that was resting at the top of this consolidation. So we've just swept buy side liquidity, which means there are no stop orders left at the top of the consolidation. But let's have a look at the bottom of that same consolidation, because down here we have not liquidated the stop orders, and all the people that went long within this consolidation, well, their stop orders are likely resting at this low or at the low that we've just created. This will immediately make the trade a much higher probability, because the target is coming from one liquidity pool to another. In other words, price has a legitimate reason to go down. We just need a way to enter this position. And again, you guessed it, we're going to use the middle ranged order block to get to the equal lows that's resting at the bottom of the consolidation. Let's grab our P&L tool here. We're going to go short at equilibrium. I'm going to place my stop loss at the top of the fair value gap that you're seeing here. And now I have two options. I can either go with the regular 2-to-1 risk to reward, or I can go for the equal lows that you're seeing down here. Because again, there's a high chance that the market is indeed going to these equal lows next. And a lot of people might sit there and think, isn't it a waste of profit to just take your entire position off at a 2-to-1 if you know it's going further? Yes, that's a good analogy. So in this trade, let's try and let it run until the equal lows. So we've created our sell limit. Let's play this out and see exactly what happens. Okay, so now we're filled, and immediately a lot of traders will get so frightened. And that's the problem. They get so frightened if their trade isn't immediately just going towards their take profit. But let's take a look at what happened had you stayed patient and had faith in your system. Boom. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. Again, that was over $1,000 that you could have made had you just stayed true to your system. But what we're looking at here is a 15-minute time frame. So does this strategy really work on a 1-minute time frame? Not only does it work on a 1-minute time frame, it works insanely well. So let me show you how insanely simple this can really be. This is actually price action from today. You could have taken this trade this morning. We're seeing good displacement here. The sentiment is looking rather bullish after a not so bullish day. Now, within this bullish leg here, you will notice that we have two order blocks, right? We have this one, and then we have this one right here. So how do you know which one to choose? Well, again, we're going to use our Fibonacci extension tool, draw it from the low of the range all the way up until the highest point of the range. And there you go. Now you have your answer. You know exactly what order block to choose. Again, you have two options. You can either go with the order block body, or you can go with equilibrium of the range. For the sake of this trade, let's try and use the order block for once. I'm going to place my entry at the body of the candle that created an order block. Again, I'm not going to use the wick. I'm going to use the body of that candle. My stop loss is in a decent place, and I'm going to target a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So let's play this out here and see exactly what ends up happening. Boom, and immediately we're filled. As you can see, it didn't really matter whether I entered at the order block or at the equilibrium. 99% of the time, I recommend that you enter at equilibrium. It will simply give you the better entry. More often than not, price is going to hit it anyway. Now, let's continue to play this out here. And as you can see, you could have just made a bunch of money in very little time, 7 minutes. That is a pretty good workday if you ask me. This may sound simple, yet 90% of traders still fail. So let me show you the #1 mistake that traders are making. They have the perfect setup, right? We have the order block right here and we have equilibrium right next to it. It's literally perfect. But what happens to these traders when the market runs up towards their entry, but then decides to sell off right before they're filled? Well, those same traders will now go short instead of staying patient. So their trades end up looking like this instead of looking like this. The truth is, you can make endless mistakes. And that is exactly why I created my free private Telegram and an entire school course for all the traders out there that are looking for guidance. Not only will you get guidance from me, but you'll be able to trade with like-minded traders on a daily basis. We were originally going to charge $997 for this community like most other programs, but then I decided to give it away entirely for free. Not because I don't want money, but because I'm here to build the largest crypto community in the entire world. As I've already showed you, I make enough money trading to pay for my rent and live my life exactly how I want it, so I don't need to be charging you thousands of dollars. So if that sounds of any interest to you, well then I would highly recommend that you check out the link down below or scan this QR code. I'll see you on the inside.